Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to delete Payees on your Metro Bank account? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Metro Bank app using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Tap on the Payments tab at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Select the payee you want to delete. Tap on the payee's name to view their details. Step 4. Tap the Edit button to edit the payee's details. Step 5. Tap the Delete button to delete the payee. Confirm that you want to delete the payee. Step 6. Confirm that the payee has been deleted. You'll receive a confirmation message on your screen. That's it. You've successfully deleted a payee on your Metro Bank account. If you have any questions or need help, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Please keep in mind that this process may vary depending on the specific requirements of Metro Bank and their app updates.